Hey traders, welcome back to the Modest Money channel. Today we're diving into a platform that's been the center of a lot of talk, both good and bad. Humbled Trader. Shay Huang is the creator of Humbled Trader. She's built a strong following, but like anyone in the public eye, she also gets her fair share of hate online. Some call her approach refreshing and honest, while others criticize her style or question her results. So, in this review, I'm going to dig in and see if any of that hate has merit or if it's just the typical hate from online trolls. By the end of this, you should know whether Humbled Trader is worth the investment. Let's jump right in. First, let's talk about Shay herself. Shay Huang is a trader and YouTuber who launched Humbled Trader back in 2019. What I like about her is her realistic approach, not those get-rich-quick schemes that probably flood your direct ads online. No Lambos, she focuses on consistent day trading profits, risk management, and keeping a level head in a market that can be chaotic. While some people criticize her for not showing huge wins all the time, I actually think that's what makes her relatable. She's transparent about the realities of trading, both the ups and the downs, and that's something I respect. But, as I mentioned before, she does get some hate online. I think it is important to address this. Here's a scathing review that calls Humbled Trader an outright scam. It says her videos are marketed towards retail traders. Well, yeah, they are. I don't think it is a bad thing that she is teaching retail traders how to trade. And I dug through the online reviews, and for every one negative opinion on Humbled Trader and Shay, I found dozens like this. Most people find her videos entertaining and genuine, which is a breath of fresh air to me. Many trading videos are quite boring, and it is difficult to stay engaged and focused because of this. Not with Humbled Trader. Okay, so what exactly does Humbled Trader offer? It's an all-in-one educational platform for day traders at any level. You'll get over 12 hours of video lessons, daily trading plans, weekly mentorship webinars, and access to a private Discord community. What I really like is how detailed the content is. Shay walks you through everything step by step, from the basics to more advanced strategies. She doesn't sugarcoat the challenges of trading, and I think that's what sets this platform apart from a lot of others I have reviewed. It's grounded, realistic, and focused on steady improvement. The other differentiating factor I see is their active community. Many platforms offer some level of community engagement, but Humbled Trader really delivers. They have an active community through their Discord group, and you can even get in contact with Shay herself. Not too many platforms allow you access to the founder. They even started hosting in-person meetups. That type of community building and engagement is hard to find these days. So that is a big plus to me. Now, let's talk pricing. Humbled Trader costs $1,290 per year, which isn't cheap, but it's also pretty straightforward. One payment gets you access to everything. No confusing tiers, no hidden fees. I appreciate that because so many platforms these days nickel and dime you with endless upsells. And here's a bonus. If you use the link in the description, you'll get 3 months of free access to their community chats. So it's a great way to get a feel for the platform without committing to the full price right away. So here's my take. Humbled Trader is a no-nonsense platform that emphasizes consistency and smart trading over hype and unrealistic promises. If you're serious about day trading and ready to put in the work, it's worth considering. While it might not be for everyone, especially if you're looking for quick fixes, it offers incredible value for traders who want to improve over the long term. If you found this review helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the Modest Money channel, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy trading.